Greetings, my name is Eric Lang, and this is another installment on my YouTube channel, author Eric Lang. We're going to be discussing a people-centric project management phenomena today, selected from my book, Engagement, Focus, and Tension in Project Management. There are almost 80 of these people-centric project management phenomena. It's a very human phenomena around project management where artifacts of psychology impact quality and velocity in project execution. The topic selected for today is the self-organization fallacy. It is often touted in many organizations that people, perhaps even especially more so as the education level goes up, will organically form efficient, effective teams. And I have termed this the self-organization fallacy. It is simply not true. Organization and functioning as a team is a learned skill. There are some few rare individuals who have a specific talent in this of leadership in creating effective teams. But otherwise, team building and team execution is a learned skill. And it has to be taught, someone who knows how to do it teaches others. And when you take a group of people and you just shove them together and then say, okay, do things, the outcome may be less than constructive. So as a project manager, you need to familiarize yourself with team building skills and techniques so that because you will be continuously creating teams. You'll be creating teams that are ongoing. So like daily stand-up teams, you're going to have a lot of ad hoc team creation where teams are brought together for specific tasks to accomplish. And that team building skill, one of the first things you're going to have to get over is that it's supposed to just organically happen. That you as a project manager will just invite everybody, say we're a team, and then it'll all start to work. That is not going to happen. That team is going to need direction. They're going to need to be shown how teams work together. And things like what the scope of the team is, whose responsibilities within the team are, all of this has to be defined. It will not organically occur, no matter what the propaganda says. So the self-organizing fallacy is real. You'll see it happen in your professional life where expectations are somebody will assign a team. You, and you're going to all get together and go make this happen. And without any defined leadership within the team, there is a certain level. I've seen it in graduate studies. So when I was working on my MBA, those teams were ad hoc and often assigned. Those were highly motivated people who wanted to work together for success because they needed that to graduate. That, I think, is the exception to the rule. I've been in the military, and of course, team building there is very structural and well established. So it's pretty straightforward. But in an environment where not everyone is highly motivated, where not everyone is at a higher functioning team level, you're going to need to build those skills and keep in mind that the self-organizing team is a fallacy. This is, I think, going to be a short video today. It's a pretty short topic. I have some good examples in the book of how differences in team building result in wildly different outcomes, depending on how it's all put together, kind of before and after sort of examples. So I want to thank you for your time today and look forward to the next video. Thank you.